Welcome back to the eTool series. You have already been able to see the overview of the tool and get an idea of how to look at the quote details. So now we will take a look at how the user will be able to amend a quote or contract. The ability to create an amendment request is clear and straightforward in the new solution. As we look at the Quotes tab of the tool, you'll see the user can select their document or documents and select the Request Changes button directly on the screen to submit the request. The dynamic filtering can be used to help find the particular item you're looking for. Remember, you can use multiple columns for the dynamic filtering as shown for the greatest flexibility and to ensure you find the element that's right for that particular scenario. No matter how the user finds the quote, either by filtering or selecting on the initial quotes page, once the quotes are selected, the user only has to click on the blue Request Changes button to arrive at the Request Changes page. Here is the view of that Request Changes page. The user can request an upgrade to a higher support level, which is done by selecting the appropriate options on a pull-down menu and choosing the change in the support level that's desired. The HP resource will then work offline to provide an updated quote in the tool that reflects the support package that the customer requested. Other changes that customers can request include examples like changing the AMP ID, changing the end date of the quote or contract, canceling the documents, or changing specific contacts and addresses. The Request Changes page is going to guide the user to provide the correct data in terms of the changes that they want. For example, you can see if the user is going to change the contacts and addresses, the tool will ask for specific information required and what updates should occur. Each edit request has a unique corresponding field for comments, and the tool provides space for any additional comments, allows file attachments and uploads if necessary. At the bottom of this Request Changes page, there's a space to add additional comments to HP as shown, and also a space for the user to add their own comments. This helps them provide additional details for their own tracking process. Once all amendment changes are submitted, a case is then created and sent to HP for processing. To review the status of any cases that you've submitted, including an amendment case like the one we just went through, users should view the Cases tab on the menu bar. This also shows the status of the case, including new, open, awaiting requester, work in progress, or closed. The recently viewed cases is the default view, but there's other views that are available by using the pull-down selections as shown. And finally, if the user would like to add any additional details to the case record that's already been created, they can click on the Add Comment button on their case record to interact directly with their HP representative working to resolve the case. Thank you for your time today. Look for more information coming soon.